Hey YouTube, Warble's on a lot here with another step in the stick resurrection. Having fit the yellow box into the splice groove, time to do something about these dings, as well as time to fill the dowel holes, as well as that major deficit there, before moving on to cutting the bottom end of the yellow box insert. So the plan here is to get a colour match on the ironwood by taking some ironwood left over from making the original stick, like for example this offcut from the making of the dowels. Take that, put it through the belt sander in about 5 minutes on a coarse belt, and come up with powdered ironwood dust with which to mix in the 5-minute araldite and see what we can do to fill in the dings. Okay, so my theory is duct tape stuck on the inside should enable me to fill the defects with the epoxy sawdust putty, sandpaper dust putty. Okay, see how we go. That'll be too much, which is a hell of a lot better than having not enough. That's probably about right. Okay, and now I just wait for that to dry and cure and go off and all of those good things. And then do the same on the other side, which will be easier because it's got smaller defects. So there you go. That's part of the reconstruction, filling in the ding. And I suppose you want to be fed? Come on. Yeah, come on. That's it. You come to feed, eh? Come on. That's it. Warbles not a lot to YouTube. Ciao.